Hello guys. Here I am creating a character using a FloraFauna AI. I want to show you that right now I have created this character with different face, outfits, and everything. So you can see these are the very ultra high quality character design, and this is totally generated with ChatGTP model. Okay. So now what I'm doing, these whole characters are coming from this prompt. Okay, so and this is very long prompt where I have done multiple things, multiple prompts over here, and these are the multiple characters I have tried. But this prompt is creating dynamically from my these blocks. Okay, from here I create the whole outfit. Sorry, the whole uh, character. Let's say gender, age, body type, skin tone, facial expressions, and everything from individual blocks. So and if I want to add any let's say this type of face, okay, these are facial. So I extract these type of details over this block, and then it from my prompt which I written to extract the details, it will then placed over here. Same way, this it will here I am creating the essence and the role and personality expression of the character. After that, there is a hairstyle, there is a jewelry, what they are wearing. Yeah. Then the attire means how they are styled in their outfits and everything. So these are the multiple blocks. And after that, combining everything, it will generate my character. If I want to change anything, let's say if I want to change the hairstyle, I will just go to my hairstyle block and I can just change the details of the hairstyle. Or if I have an image, I can extract that particular detail in the, let's say, I have here style, then length of the hair, then the texture of the hair, and then the description of that particular total hairstyle or whatever it will be. So I extract from any image and then it creates a new prompt and then it automatically sets in my final prompt and then I can generate the image. So and it generate very detailed and very proper image. You can see the facial expression, the hairs, the chest on the hair on the hand, everything from here. This I can control from my blocks.